How to fix Instagram can't change profile picture on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on Android or iOS phone. First, open Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated, and if you found here update, just click on it and update your Instagram. And now if you have an Android phone and that doesn't fix your problem, go to settings, scroll down, click apps and then apps again, and here type Instagram and click on it, then click permissions, and now click storage and make sure it's allowed, and then click for stop and go to storage here. Now click clear cache, and that's it. Restart your phone and don't forget like, and see you in the next video.